All right, good morning, traders. It's May 18th, Monday. Just jumped into this stock because it switched to algorithm. Told us to get in short. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're getting close to putting our stop in here. 79.35 is what we're looking for. Okay, getting through right now. We're going to buy it back because we're short. 79.52, 79.60. Come on. We just touched our level pretty much. So I could get out of this trade right now and be a good trade. All right, going to come through again. Trying to squeeze more out of this trade. That's why I'm waiting to put my order in. Okay, 34, 35, 34. All right, I'm just going to put it in. And we're out. All right, cool. So we are out for our first trade of the day. That was fast. Nice $93 to start the day. Yeah, now I wish I was in still, but that's okay. We got our target. We got our everything else is bonus money, so we're good to go. All right, we'll be back in next trade. Okay, so this stock has tripped the algorithm, so it switched, indicating a long position, giving us permission. So the way it works is once the algorithm switches and we get permission, we have to wait for this candle to close. All right, I'm opening NinjaTrader to try to do some sim trading to test something out. Yeah, and it opened right there. So, all right, I'll be right back when this is finished opening. Okay, so got that out of the way. So again, the way this works is once the algorithm switches, gives me permission to jump in the trade. In this case, it's to the long side. Volume agrees. I have to wait. Excuse me. I have to wait for this candle to close before I get in, because once this candle closes, it'll confirm everything. So I enter and then open of the next 5-minute candle. I trade the strategy. This is my day trading strategy. I traded on the 5-minute candles. So we'll see here. Got about a minute and a half, and then we'll jump into this trade. Yeah, with this algorithm, I don't need to know anything about candlestick patterns. I don't need to know about support resistance, trend lines. I don't need to know any of that. All I need to know is algorithm switched. It's telling me to go long. It's giving me permission. Volume agrees with what I'm doing, and I'm getting in. So that's pretty much it. And then once I get in, it gives me my all my levels. It tells me where my stop is. It tells me where my first target is, second target, and so forth. So yeah. All right, we'll be back in a couple minutes, or about a minute. Okay, so it's not confirming. We'll see if it does the last second. And did not confirm. So if that candle does not, if the algorithm doesn't stay switched because of the position, if this candle goes, algorithm switches. If it doesn't stay switched, then no deal. So I wait till it confirms or no trade. So we'll wait and see what happens in the next 5-minute candle. Okay, so we got confirmation and we are in. Okay, so my first stop level is going to be 577. Checking the spread here, nice and tight. All right, so you can see here on the ask, it's at 577, which is the target. So I could exit this trade right now, and it would be a good trade for my students that might be wondering, because they're not getting triggered because the bid says 576, and because we're long, we're getting out on the ask. I'm sorry, we're getting out on the bid. We'd like to get out on the ask, but we're getting out on the bid. So that's why you're not triggered yet. Okay, so now I could put my trade in here and call it a good trade, but I'm going to give it a couple seconds to pump above, let it get a chance to run. Only have like not even a minute left. So if this closes right here, I'll just put my order in and call it a day. Okay, so it looks like we're getting about to get there. One more penny. Come on, let's do it. All right, we're there. So I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to sell. All right, so if it backs up a penny, then we're out. But I gave it a chance to run, so we'll see if we get a 2-to-1 out of it, or if we just take our 1-to-1. So either way, turned out to be an awesome day. Another 80 bucks. Okay, cool. So we were out. So another $80 right there. So yeah, sweet day. $179 so far. So yeah, pretty good for a small account. That's almost 20% on the day. All right, we'll be back if we get something else lining up. Okay, so I want to do a quick little bit for my students. So here we have this stock. So it triggered at the same time as the last one did, so I couldn't do them both at the same time, which is unfortunate. Maybe it's a good thing, but you know, I don't have an account big enough to trade both of these at the same time right now. So I had permission when this first happened to the long side. It was giving me, now it's telling me to the short side. So you know, we switched algorithms to get in. We had permission, volume agreed, everything was good, but I couldn't get in because I was in that other one. But now that the other trade is complete, I'm looking at it and it's at the same level as I could have gotten in at. So stop is here, entry here, and then targets are above. But I'm not going to jump in the trade because we no longer have permission. If we still had permission and it was at this level and I could get in and it's pretty much it's the right price to get in at, then I would jump into this. But because we don't have permission anymore, I'm going to pass on it. It may end up being a winner anyway, but yeah, I'm going to pass because I don't have permission anymore. So just for my students that may be watching. If I was bored and just wanted to, like, you know, I couldn't control myself and I had to get in, then I would get in with a really small share size just to say I did and make, you know, maybe $5 or lose $5 kind of thing. But yeah, staying away. All right, so here we are. We have our another stock here where the algorithm has switched, indicating a short trade, giving us permission. Volume agrees. So as soon as this candle closes, if it closes here, we will be jumping into this thing short in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're in short. Okay, traders, I'm not going to be able to stay for the rest of the day. I'm going to head out and get some
Order
stuff done.
submitted.
That's my automatic trading happening on my other computer. So I'm going to put my stop in, break even here. I'm going to be around for a little bit while longer, but if it comes back into this area and then wants to come down, I won't be here to get out before the end of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to pretty much break even, which is 64.07, which is pretty much where it's at right now. So 64.07, and then cancel this order. And then buy, since we're short, we're buying it back. All right, so if it moves a penny against me, we'll be out, break even on this trade, and then I can get out of here and I don't have to worry about making it back in time for market to close, which I don't think I'll be back in time, and I'd hate to get stuck in a stock overnight. So that's why I'm not putting my set and forget it. I'm just going to put an order in here, and then I'll be around for maybe another 30 or 40 minutes. So hopefully this can materialize by then. If not, we'll just have to take our profit to wherever we're at before we head out. Definitely don't want to get stuck overnight. All right, so we're out of that trade, break even. So yeah, I don't have the time to sit here and watch it the rest of the day, and I won't be back. So need to be out. Better to be safe than sorry. So either way, it's a nice day, $178. So pretty sweet day. It's about 10% on this account today. Keep it growing. That's awesome. And then the automatic trading that you keep hearing over there is my Ninja Trader account. I'm been working on something for quite a while, letting my Ninja Trader account just automatically trade for me. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna keep on working on that, and when that's all done and working awesome, I will let you know. Or if it's a failure, I'll let you know about it and why it failed and whatever. But all right, everybody, have an awesome day. We'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday.